The Studio Electronics SE-1 monosynth was produced in the 90s when few people were making analog synths. I've taken 10 samples and put them together for you in a Maschine Kit to use as instruments or whatever you like. Bear in mind that these samples are dry, and I'm sure that you can make them sound much superior with a little bit of tweaking. There's no cost, but if you could sign up to my new YouTube channel, there's more machine and audio content coming. Let's have a listen to these samples.
Sample 1. Sample 2. Sample 3. Sample 4. Sample 5. Sample 6. Sample 7. Sample 8. Sample 9. Sample 10.